Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on November 3rd and 4th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. National Sandwich Day. National Sandwich Day, celebrated on November 3rd, honors one of the most popular and versatile culinary creations, the sandwich. The day invites individuals to enjoy and appreciate the vast variety of sandwiches, reflecting on their history, and perhaps exploring new and inventive sandwich combinations. Sandwiches, which generally consist of meat, cheese, vegetables, and condiments placed between slices of bread, have been a staple in many cultures due to their convenience and adaptability. They can range from simple and quick creations to elaborate and gourmet concoctions, fitting seamlessly into various meals, occasions, and cuisines. The sandwich is commonly believed to have been named after John Montagu, the 4th Earl of Sandwich, an 18th century English nobleman who supposedly ordered meat tucked between two pieces of bread so that he could eat without interrupting his gambling sessions. Since then, the sandwich has evolved in countless ways, with different cultures and chefs introducing their own spins and styles. National Sandwich Day is an occasion to savor this delightful food item, exploring classic favorites or crafting new and adventurous creations, celebrating the simplicity and complexity found within the vast world of sandwiches. National Housewife Day. National Housewife Day, recognized on November 3rd, is an informal day of acknowledgement, giving a nod of appreciation to those who choose to dedicate their time to homemaking. The role of a housewife traditionally involves various aspects of managing a household, such as cooking, cleaning, and caring for children, among many other responsibilities. The day seeks to appreciate the often underappreciated efforts, dedication, and hard work that go into maintaining and nurturing a home and family. In today's diverse and evolving society, the term housewife may seem somewhat antiquated and perhaps doesn't fully encapsulate the range and depth of tasks and roles that individuals, of all genders, who manage their homes undertake. Modern homemakers contribute in significant and myriad ways to their family lives, balancing the needs and demands of their households often with those of work, community, and personal pursuits. The essence of National Housewife Day lies in recognizing and celebrating all homemakers, men and women alike, valuing their contributions and appreciating the tangible and intangible benefits that come from caring and managing a home. Regardless of the era, the work of homemakers is integral to the well-being and stability of families and deserves acknowledgement and applause. This day serves as a reminder to express gratitude and appreciation for the efforts and love put into homemaking. Jellyfish Day. Jellyfish Day, celebrated on November 3rd, pays homage to these fascinating creatures of the sea. Jellyfish, with their graceful, undulating movements and often iridescent colors, have captivated humans for centuries. They inhabit every ocean in the world, from the surface to the deep sea, and have been around for at least 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living creatures on the planet. Jellyfish Day serves as an opportunity to reflect on these enigmatic beings, appreciate their beauty, and consider their significance in marine ecosystems. Jellyfish play essential roles in the oceanic food web, providing sustenance for a variety of creatures, including turtles and larger fish. Moreover, they have unique characteristics, such as their cnidocytes, specialized cells that they use to capture prey, and their remarkable regenerative abilities, which are of great interest to scientific research. While they may be viewed as simple organisms, jellyfish possess intricate life cycles and varied reproductive strategies. For marine biologists, ecologists, and ocean lovers, Jellyfish Day could be a day of raising awareness about these astonishing creatures, promoting their conservation, and highlighting their importance in biodiversity and healthy marine ecosystems. Whether one chooses to celebrate the day by visiting an aquarium, learning more about jellyfish species, or advocating for marine conservation, it's a day to appreciate and contemplate these ancient and mesmerizing sea dwellers. National Candy Day. National Candy Day is celebrated annually on November 4th, providing sweet-toothed individuals an excellent excuse to indulge in their favorite candies. Whether it's chocolate bars, lollipops, gummies, or nostalgic penny candies, this day is dedicated to celebrating all things sweet, sugary, and delightful. The history of candy dates back to ancient times when people savored treats made from honey and fruits, and over time, the variety and complexity of candy have evolved significantly, providing a plethora of options for every palate and preference. On National Candy Day, enthusiasts might indulge in their favorite sweets, perhaps trying out new and exotic confections or relishing nostalgic candies from childhood. It's also an opportunity to explore the history and making of candy, perhaps trying one's hand at homemade confections. Moreover, it's a day that can be enjoyed by sharing sweetness with others, perhaps gifting candies to friends, family, and co-workers, spreading joy through sugary delights. While it's important to consider health and moderation, allowing oneself a little indulgence on this day to savor the wide array of flavors and textures that candies offer is in the spirit of the celebration. Whether enjoying the smoothness of chocolate, the chewiness of gummies, or the crunchiness of hard candies, National Candy Day is here to sprinkle a bit of sweetness into life. National Bison Day. National Bison Day, celebrated on the first Saturday in November, honors the American bison, often simply referred to as buffalo, despite being distinct from the true buffalo found in Africa and Asia. This day is designed to commemorate the ecological, cultural, and economic contributions of the bison, an animal that holds significant historical and symbolic importance, especially to many indigenous tribes in North America. Designated as the United States national mammal in 2016, bison are celebrated for their resilience and their role in maintaining healthy grassland ecosystems. On National Bison Day, people are encouraged to reflect on the historical impact of the bison and to engage in conservation efforts that support their continued recovery and preservation. Bison, which were once near extinction due to overhunting and habitat loss, have rebounded in recent decades thanks to conservation efforts, but still face challenges that require ongoing attention and action. Celebrations and activities may include visiting a national park or reserve to observe bison in their natural habitat, participating in events that raise awareness about bison conservation, or learning about the cultural significance of bison through educational programs. The day serves as a reminder of the importance of protecting biodiversity and maintaining balanced and healthy ecosystems, recognizing the bison not only as a symbol of the American West but as a testament to the power of conservation and respect for the natural world. Use Your Common Sense Day. Use Your Common Sense Day is celebrated on November 4th and is dedicated to appreciating and employing one of our most invaluable inherent qualities, common sense. This unofficial holiday encourages people to utilize their ability to judge and reason in practical and prudent ways, applying simple wisdom and sound judgment in various situations encountered in daily life. Common sense pertains to making reasonable decisions and choices, typically based on a straightforward perception of situations, without overcomplicating or overthinking. The observance of Use Your Common Sense Day could involve reflecting on the importance of applying common sense in various contexts, from making everyday decisions to navigating complex life scenarios. It might also be a moment to appreciate those individuals known for their wisdom and practicality, and perhaps share stories and instances where common sense has prevailed, providing valuable lessons or even a few laughs. In a world that is often complex and multifaceted, having a day to underscore the importance of using our innate, straightforward judgment serves as a reminder that sometimes the simplest solutions or decisions are the most effective and wise. The day invites a pause to appreciate common sense as a crucial aspect of our interactions, choices, and pathways in life, prompting mindful and practical decision-making. Roast Dinner Day. Roast Dinner Day, celebrated on the first Sunday in October, is a culinary celebration that honors the beloved tradition of enjoying a hearty, roasted meal. A roast dinner, which is especially iconic in the United Kingdom but enjoyed worldwide, typically features roasted meat, such as beef, chicken, lamb, or pork, accompanied by a variety of side dishes like roasted vegetables, potatoes, Yorkshire pudding, and rich gravy. The day serves as an invitation to gather with family and friends, sharing a satisfying meal and spending quality time together. This day can be celebrated in numerous delicious ways. Some may choose to prepare a classic roast dinner at home, spending time crafting the various components of the meal. Others might opt to dine out, enjoying a professionally prepared roast at a restaurant. It could also be an opportunity to explore different variations of roast dinners, perhaps trying new recipes, or incorporating different cultural twists into the classic meal. Whatever the approach, Roast Dinner Day is a time to savor the comforting flavors of a well-cooked meal, creating memories around the table and celebrating the joy that good food can bring to our lives. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.